Keeping more kids in school.
The Department of Education has asked the state for extra money this year. Part of it's just to help refit certain schools with air conditioning systems. KITV4's Brenton Awa has a story that's all new at 6.
Paula, the DOE has 9 schools on its current air conditioning priority list. It has asked for $25 million, which would cover a third of those schools. If we only had feel-o-vision, you'd get the sense of how cool 75 degrees in a classroom really is. On the other hand, you might turn the channel at temperatures in the high 80s or even into the 90s, like kids at schools in Eva Beach have been dealing with, but that might not be for long.
It's a problem that we recognized a while back. We do have a heat abatement program as part of our capital improvement program, and we're addressing it as fast and as efficiently as we can.
The top 3 schools on the DOE's AC priority list include Eva Beach Elementary, Campbell High School, and Ilima Intermediate, where its principal says temperatures can be unbearable.
When you're talking about July, August, and even September, the heat alone can reach, well into the 90s.
Right next door, Pohakea Elementary has already cooled off. The school just underwent a 2-year, $5 million renovation installing these systems. Its staff says students are performing better. That's what the DOE hoped for, and also why it'll continue to knock schools off that waiting list.
The learning environment changed, material condition of each classroom changed as well because of that project, and it just makes for a better learning environment, and they're happy.
If the state grants the funds, we're told $25 million should cover those top 3 schools. Eva Beach Elementary would cost $5 million, Ilima Intermediate $8 million, and Campbell High School $13 million. The DOE says the upfront costs will save in the long run.
These buildings were not designed to have air conditioning, so in a 4th-generation system, especially as expensive it is to run these systems, we have to look at the project as a whole.
As for when to expect those air conditioning systems to be installed in those schools, the state still has to approve the DOE's request. If approved, the earliest the DOE would get the money is July. Then they'd put those jobs up for bid, followed by a year of construction, depending on the size and build of the school. Back to you.